Hi, this is Suzanne Hill, your instructor for English 102, Section 900. This is a completely online class, and all your assignments will be due online. And we will take part in discussion each week online in our discussion forums. So here is the Blackboard site when you first log on. You should be taken right away to announcements. And there is a Start Here button for you to read more about getting familiar with the course. I encourage you to go there and read information. And when you want to look at the syllabus and schedule, go to those buttons. The syllabus and the schedule are available right here. You click on the link here for syllabus and the link here for your schedule. And the main part of the class takes place here in the weekly folders. So if we want to see what's to be done for week 1, click on the link here to week 1. You'll see the discussion forum is available here and a quiz. Each week a quiz is due on the reading by Tuesday, and the first week you have more time. And also this first week there is a first writing assignment that's due for each student. Every student should complete this in every English 102 class. If you click on this link, the document will open and you can see what is due for this assignment. And again, the weekly forum each week is available here. So if you click on this link, you can click on the word thread to get these in numeric order, and this is where you get started. Each of the threads has a bit of material which ordinarily in a face-to-face class could be considered the lecture material or the discussion material. And if you want to partake in the questions for any of the threads, you can hit reply, post your question, and this is how you can get started. So I look forward to the semester, and have a good week.